Hello, in this tutorial we will go over how to load BSG Tarkov assets into Unity and use those assets to better improve our own materials. First, create a file named AssetBundleLoader.cs inside your SDK assets folder. Open this file in a code editor and paste the code provided in the description below this video. Add the correct path here to point to your own BundleLoader folder located inside your SDK assets folder. Save the script. Make sure your camera is set to deferred rendering. Create an empty game object in your scene and rename it to whatever you like. Add a new component named AssetBundleScript. Now, drag a model you are working on and want to compare to a BSG item. I choose this handguard. Then go to where all Tarkov bundles are located in your SPT install location. Drag whatever bundle you want to use as comparison into the BundleLoader folder. Click play in the top, and the script will pull all resources from the BSG bundle and display materials with the SMAP shader. Note that this will only work with single bundles with no other dependencies. Weapon containers will not work, but almost all smaller items like weapon mods, barter items, equipment, etc. will work. Now we can look at the individual specular, gloss and diffuse maps and try to make our own model's material look the same. Specular maps are very important to highlight details in your materials. White specular toning equals a shiny metallic look. Very dark specular makes the material look more like dirt or very dry paint. We can play around with these values a lot, but sometimes a bad texture can make it seem impossible to replicate the BSG look. Then you have to improve your textures and not the material itself. But this method will most certainly help you pinpoint where you need to improve the texture. You can also change your scene's lighting setup to help you see more reflections on your materials. I have made my default scene in Unity to include a lot of point lights. Also make sure your scene lighting doesn't include too much of the environment, because the default brightness can be way too much. This was everything for today. Have fun out there.